In the land of Hastinapur, where the winds whispered tales of valor and righteousness, there was a prince who stood above all, Yudhishthira, the eldest Pandava. Known far and wide for his unwavering sense of justice, deep wisdom, and his dedication to truth, he became a beacon of dharma in a world torn by conflict and ambition. But despite his noble heart, Yudhishthira's life was far from easy. The seeds of rivalry had already been sown by his cousins, the Kauravas, and soon the kingdom that was meant to be a symbol of peace would be embroiled in a battle for power that would change the world forever. It all began in the royal court, where a fateful game of dice would set the stage for an unimaginable tragedy. In a moment of pressure and deceit, Yudhishthira, trusting in the fairness of the game, lost his kingdom, his wealth, and even his brothers. But the worst blow was yet to come. In the heat of the game, Yudhishthira lost his queen, Draupadi. The court watched in stunned silence as she was humiliated, and though he had the power to speak, Yudhishthira remained silent, holding fast to his belief in dharma, his commitment to honor the rules even when they were cruel. Forced into exile, Yudhishthira and his brothers wandered through the wilderness. 12 long years of hardship, testing their resolve. Through every trial, Yudhishthira upheld his dharma, carrying the weight of his choices, always striving to restore justice to his kingdom. One day, the Pandavas came across a beautiful, tranquil lake, its waters glimmering like liquid silver under the sun. Thirsting, the brothers drank, but as soon as they did, one by one, they collapsed, lifeless. Yudhishthira's heart filled with dread. He approached the lake, determined to find a solution, when suddenly, a voice echoed from the shadows. "Stop!" the voice boomed. "This lake belongs to me. Answer my questions, or you too will fall like your brothers." Yudhishthira, with calm and poise, accepted the challenge. This was not just a test of knowledge, but of his very soul. The voice, now revealed as a yaksha, asked him question after question. What is the greatest virtue? What is the true wealth? What is the greatest gift? Yudhishthira answered each question with wisdom that could only come from a life lived in devotion to dharma. Finally, the yaksha revealed himself to be none other than Yama, the god of death, Yudhishthira's father. He had tested his son's commitment to truth and righteousness. Pleased with Yudhishthira's answers, Yama restored the brothers to life, and the Pandavas were once again whole. Yudhishthira's journey was never easy, nor was it without its failures. But through every trial, he remained steadfast in his belief that dharma, truth, justice, and righteousness was the only path worth following.